Hey there folks, this is Margaret coming to you from eXp Realty, and I am currently in Port St. John, Florida, bringing you a home tour of 7606 Fringe Place in Cocoa, which is in Port St. John area. And this home is a 2004, 2020 square feet. And I do want to give out a shout out to Emily Merbitz, who is the listing agent on this home, and she was kind enough to let us take a tour of this home. So it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. The roof and the AC are both 2023. Probably going to get a shot of me here as we try to get in this door. So sorry, trying to show you the house, not me. So we walk in, and first thing we have here is this gorgeous dining room area. So super cute there. Could do a dining room for the formal dining room, or you could do a second living room area space, depending on which preferences are. And as we go into this next room on this side, all I can think of in here is what a gorgeous office space. And look at all these built-in shelves for you already there. Plenty of light. Super cute room here. And we're going to cruise on out. You see the living room there. Nice fireplace. Take a quick swing along here and look at this kitchen. Got plenty of cabinet space. Absolutely love this island here in the middle with your sink built in. And as we swing on around here, you got plenty of room for bar stools. Could probably fit 4 to 6 of them there comfortably. Nice big pantry over here on the side, double doors, and an area here for your kitchen nook. You put a little table there under that light. And then as we go off to the side here, we've got an inside laundry room, plenty of space here. Got some cabinets up here, shelving on the other side. No dear, I guess it's going to get a little dark in my pictures here, but we do have a nice sized garage. Plenty of space, workbench in the back. Cruise back out here into this living space. As you can see, get a glimpse outside of that nice patio area and the little lake in the middle. So living room has a bunch of built-ins here. Also, can you just imagine all your little pretties sitting up on those shelves? Now we're going to cruise over here to the master bedroom. And huge master, plenty of space here. And as we look into the bathroom, you have your shower area, sinks, nice deep tub, shelf up there for all your stuff. Back out into this master. And we're going to walk over here and check out this closet. Nice big walk-in closet, plenty of shelving. Again, plenty of room in here. You can fit a king-size bed, dressers, nightstands, all kinds of space. Back out into this living room area. And all the way on the other side, it's a nice split plan. You've got your other 2 bedrooms. So good-sized bedroom over here. Bathroom, shower tub combo, the sink, another bedroom here, good sized bedroom, plenty of space in here. And back out to the living room area. We're going to cruise right outside the door here. You can see this nice screened in patio area. Plenty of room for your table, chairs. Looks like they used to have a TV sitting up there, which definitely makes sense. Might as well hang out here as much as you can. And then there's that gorgeous view right outside the back there. Nice little lake. And back inside. And we're going to hang out in this kitchen area here for a moment so you can get a good look at the kitchen while I finish doing a little bit of talking. So again, we are at 7606 Fringe Place here in Cocoa, 32927. This home was built in 2004. Living square footage is 2020. And you've got a 2023 roof, 2023 air conditioning, very low HOA here. It's only $295 a year. The community we're in is Cypress Woods. So awesome community, great schools here. And again, my name is Margaret Klein and the listing agent, Emily Marvitz. Either one of us would love to give you your own private tour of this house. So hope you enjoyed the video. And jump on that phone and get with one of us so you can come in here and check it out yourself. Thanks so much, and you have an amazing day.